Happy Labor Day, everybody. We're going to take a look at 3 new cases that I just got this morning from Amazon. Thank you, Amazon Prime. We're going to look at these 2 Ringkes right here and this new wallet case, clear wallet case from Castigo right there. So first up is, let's take a look at the Ringkes. They're the more popular known brand, right? We'll take a look at the Castigo later in a separate video. Actually, we're going to do them all separate. So first up, the other Ringke video and the Castigo will be in a separate video. Let's take a look at this one. This is the Ringke, I think this is an Ultra Hybrid. This is the Ringke Fusion. This is the Ringke Fusion Galaxy Note 9. And this is the blue tinted case. So I'm going to compare this with my Z2 top, supposedly scratch proof case that looks like it already got scratched. So it's just, most Ringke cases just come in this Ziploc plastic bag. Up here, up top, you have the military, drop tested logo and standards, and that's it. And then right here it says on the bottom, the ultimate experience. Over 30 million people are already using Ringke products. Okay, so let's just open it up and let's see what we get. The one thing I always liked about Ringke, they haven't done it on the I think on my Note 8, but on the V20 and earlier phones, they've always had extras, and this looks like it's got an extra. It comes with this lanyard, so the lanyard will go here in this this thing. Where is that? I missed it. The lanyard goes here. The lanyard right there will go in here, so you can, like, put it around your wrist and look like a douche. I'm just kidding. Anyways, let's put that lanyard aside. Let's see what else we get. We get the it's instructions on how to remove the film. See, remember when I did the other 2, the Spigen and the Z2 top, there was no protective film inside of the case and outside of the case to protect it from scratching. The Z2 top, maybe they don't have it protective film because it, they said it's a scratch proof case. Here you can see Ringke says they just have a mini catalog for other accessories like a car mount and charging cables. So right here's the thank you card, and in back of the thank you card it says without your product review we can't exist. The Ringke lanyard strap right there, see, and that's this, and the instructions on how to install it. And then it says enjoy your free gift, thank you for choosing Ringke, and we hope you continue to purchase with this complimentary Ringke accessory. Okay, so I am going to remove these, so I'm going to pause this video and put these aside, remove the plastic protective film, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we got all of the protective plastic film from the outside and the inside of the case removed. So let's go through a little walkthrough right here, starting from the back. Starting from the back of the phone, you have these extra edges, extra edges, like to say for shock-proof protection, and also, like, I don't know what these things are. I'm gonna say little bumpers, and they're raised up a little bit so that they should give your phone more protection when it falls flat on its back, and also to keep the back from getting scratched up a little bit when you lay your phone flat on its back. And then right here we have the usual walkthroughs: your headphone jack, USB-C, microphone, speaker, and S Pen cutouts. The camera cutout, of course. You have another microphone cutout here up top. And yeah, these edges like seem to have these extra little bumpers on the sides. And then let's see if we can look on the inside. The Bixby and the volume buttons seem really nice. They're raised up just a little bit, so you can feel where those buttons are. And the same thing with the power button. And they got like extra like ridging, or what I call knurling, on it to so you can feel where the so the buttons have some like extra Bixby, and the power button have like these extra ridging or knurling. I don't know if it shows up on my camera. And then right here, like I said, is your two holes for the lanyard that came with the case. And see right here how it's just slightly, there's like these little bumpers on each of the corners to give your phone more protection. And then you have the Ringke logo right here. Is that the Ringke logo? No, it says made in Korea. And is there a Ringke logo? Maybe the logo is right here near the power button. I can't see. There's some kind of logo there. Shock absorption, nope. So there's the Ringke logo on the bottom right corner of the case. Okay, so now I want to compare it with another clear blue tinted case that I got. This is the Z2 top, and this one was like $8. The Ringke is like, this Ringke one is like, I'm gonna say it was $12, but I'll put a link in the description. And the Ringke is a little more expensive because of that, probably because of the lanyard that it came with. But let's just compare them. So here they are from the bottom. The cutouts look about the same. Thickness looks about the same, although it feels like the Z2 top is just a little taller because the Z2 top has these extra big corners on the all four sides. And then here is the left side of the case where your volume and Bixby button are, and they both have good feel to them as far as right now goes, even without the phone in there. And then here up top, microphone holes seem about the same. And then here on the sides with the power button, as you can see, the power button here is a little smoother. The one on the Z2 top up top here has that extra ridging, or what I call knurling, to feel out the power button. But they're both raised higher than the other sides of the case. Okay, so now let's put the phone in. Okay, so let's just get the phone inside of the case. Not too bad. So the tightest fit so far has been the Spigen. You really got to work your way into there. So here you go. And you see it makes my D-brand carbon fiber blue a little bit darker in the shade department. And here's where I was talking about. And here's where I was talking about how there's this, see these little bumpers like on each corner, and they're higher than the back of the case. So you're going to give, so when you lay the phone case backside down, it shouldn't get too many scratches. And here on the camera and fingerprint sensor, there's extra lip to protect your lens. And fingerprint scanner works without any issues on this. Okay, so let's walk it through here some more on the front. Here on the front, you get extra lip. As you can see, there's a little bit of extra lip for screen protection when you lie it face flat. And then now going towards the bottom, the headphone jack, the USB-C, microphone, speaker, S Pen, grills all line up. Is it how easy it is to take out the S Pen? No issues removing the S Pen. And let's test out the headphone and the USB ports. Okay, first off, here's a standard Samsung USB-C, and that fits no problem, as you can see. And this is a fat USB-C adapter right here, and let's see how that fits. So this will tell me if I can fit aftermarket ones, and it fits, as you can see. It fit without any issues. Okay, now let's try the headphone jack. So here's my Bayer Dynamic headphones that I will be comparing the sound of this with the new AKG N60 that I just got. First of all, here is the AKG N60's headphone jack or headphone cord, and does it fit? It seems like it's too short. Oh, I got the wrong end. Okay, so here's the right end, and here's the headphone jack, and it fits, as you can see. And here's the Bayer Dynamic with the fatter end, as you can see. If you compare them, Bayer Dynamic has a much fatter male end, and I can get that in no problem into this headphone jack plug with this case. So that's good. Okay, so here we are on my little bookshelf slash nightstand, and there's my Senyo charger that I just reviewed. Here's the phone in the Ringke case, and we'll lay it, and there you go, just went on. You might not hear that, but as you can see, or not see because it's too bright on my screen, it says fast charging. See that? Okay. So let's lay it on the side. And there you go. That works too on the side. So yes, this case is also Qi wireless charging compatible. Okay, so that is our look at the Ringke Fusion crystal clear aqua blue tint Galaxy Note 9 case. plus strap. You can get it on Amazon, I believe, for $12 or $11.99. It's around $12, $13. I'll put a link in the description. So it's a really nice case. Like, it doesn't add extra thickness, other than, you know, on the top and bottom, a little bit on the sides for impact protection, and also scratch protection when you lay your phone flat. And this TPU material also has good gripping on your phone. It's got very good gripping, so you don't have to, if you have butterfingers, you don't have to worry about it slipping out of your case. So far, all the cords that I tested it out with, the headphone jacks cords and the USB-C cords, all fit well, and then it comes with this free lanyard as a bonus. So that is it. This is the Ringke Fusion. Once again, this is the Ringke Fusion Galaxy Note 9 Aqua Blue plus strap on Amazon Prime with free 2-day delivery. So there you go. Let's take a look at the next case. Another Ringke Fusion. Anyways, everybody, take care, have a great day, and we'll see you soon for another video.